What if a material growing naturally on these powerful animals could one day become a luxury handbag worth a fortune? Each horn carries unique patterns impossible to duplicate. Nature creates what luxury brands spend years trying to imitate. Grey Brahman cattle are raised on massive ranches covering thousands of acres. Their strength and adaptability have made them valuable across the world. Behind every animal is an industry supported by ranchers, veterinarians, and agricultural workers. Millions of cattle move through these systems every year. For artisans and manufacturers, the horn is more than a byproduct. It is a natural material prized for its beauty and durability.
Once collected, the horns enter a specialized supply chain. What begins in the countryside is destined for factories hundreds of miles away.
Raw horn materials are gathered from multiple regions before entering international markets. The trade operates on a surprisingly large scale.
The thickness here is inconsistent.
Yes, the density is lower than the required grade. Yeah.
I agree, the color matching is also slightly off on this batch.
This one is ready for shipment B. Confirmed. I'll update the manifest now.
Few customers realize where these stunning accessories begin. Their origins are far removed from luxury storefronts. Tinctures. The distance between a ranch and a luxury boutique is enormous. In the next chapter, we follow the horns as they arrive.
After traveling across vast distances, the raw horns finally approach their destination.
Every shipment is documented and traced before entering production. Quality control begins long before manufacturing starts. This facility processes thousands of horn components every year. What arrives as raw material leaves as luxury craftsmanship.
Every shipment is documented and traced before entering production. Quality control begins long before manufacturing starts.
The unloading operation must move quickly and efficiently. Thousands of horn pieces are handled during each delivery cycle.
The horns are sorted into multiple quality grades. Only the finest pieces will become premium fashion products.
This inventory represents months of future production. Every section is carefully managed to maintain efficiency. Behind the machinery is a complex operation driven by planning and logistics. Production begins with precise coordination. The facility is divided into specialized areas. Each department plays a critical role in transforming raw horn into luxury goods.
As the workday begins, hundreds of machines come to life. Soon, the first horns will enter processing. The scale of production is impressive. Yet every luxury item still depends on careful attention to detail. The transformation officially begins here. Raw horn is about to undergo its first major changes.
Beyond these doors, cleaning, sorting, and preparation will reshape the material forever. In the next chapter, the first stage of processing begins.
The luster on this one is remarkable.
Indeed. The adjustments to the brushes seem to have worked.
Before cutting can begin, moisture levels must be carefully controlled. Consistency is critical for luxury production. Before cutting can begin, moisture levels must be carefully controlled. Consistency is critical for luxury production. Before cutting can begin, moisture levels must be carefully controlled. Consistency is critical for luxury production. The natural variation of bullhorn creates countless possibilities. Careful sorting determines the future of each piece. Certain patterns are especially prized by luxury manufacturers. Their rarity adds value to the finished product. Now the raw material begins its physical transformation. Large sections are divided according to future use. Advanced machinery minimizes waste and maximizes usable material. Precision is measured down to millimeters.
Experienced specialists can identify quality instantly. Their decisions influence the value of the final handbag.
Natural horn is rigid and curved. Heat will soon make it flexible enough for shaping. Temperature control is one of the most important steps in the process. Even small changes can affect the final result. For luxury accessories, curved horn must often become flat material. This step makes that possible.
Under immense pressure, the material takes on an entirely new form. Nature begins to resemble a manufactured surface.
The transformation is now unmistakable. What once looked like raw horn is becoming a luxury material.
Imperfections are carefully removed. Every sheet must meet exact standards.
The early processing stage is complete. Next, these bullhorn sheets will enter the heart of production, where luxury handbags begin to take shape. After weeks of preparation, the material finally reaches the most important stage. This is where bullhorn begins its transformation into luxury fashion.
Every component starts with a precise cut. Accuracy at this stage determines the quality of the final product.
No two panels are identical. Each bullhorn pattern becomes part of a unique luxury accessory. Raw-cut surfaces are transformed into smooth, luxury-grade finishes. The material begins to reveal its full elegance.
Some pieces require complex shapes impossible to achieve naturally. Heat and pressure make those designs possible.
Every curve must meet exact design specifications. Even minor imperfections are unacceptable.
Individual parts begin to take recognizable forms. The handbag is slowly coming together, piece by piece. Some details still rely on skilled human hands. Craftsmanship remains at the core of luxury production. Now two worlds meet. Natural bullhorn is combined with premium leather and luxury materials. Assembly demands patience and precision. Each component must fit perfectly within the design.
These signature details help define the product's identity. Bullhorn becomes the centerpiece of the design.
Luxury products require distinctive finishing touches. Advanced technology ensures flawless consistency. The final appearance depends on meticulous finishing work. Every surface must feel as luxurious as it looks.
The handbags are nearly complete. Only the final refinements remain.
Protective treatments enhance durability without hiding natural beauty. The material is prepared for years of use.
What began as raw bullhorn has become a luxury fashion statement. The transformation is almost complete.
Thousands of hours of labor, technology, and craftsmanship have led to this moment. Next comes the Even the smallest imperfection can lead to rejection. Luxury standards leave little room for error. The beauty of bullhorn lies in its natural appearance. Maintaining that perfection requires extraordinary attention to detail.
The stitching looks good, but the horn alignment is slightly off the master.
I agree. Let's document the variance and set it aside.
Only approved products earn the right to leave the factory. Every item receives its final certification. Each handbag carries proof of authenticity. Its story becomes part of the luxury experience.
The journey to customers can span thousands of miles. Protection is essential at every step.
Individual products now become part of a global shipment. The scale of distribution is impressive.
Every package is tracked through sophisticated logistics systems. Nothing is left to chance.
The warehouse serves as the final checkpoint before departure. Orders from around the world are prepared here. Global demand requires careful coordination. Every shipment must reach the correct destination on schedule.
Confirming shipment 724, bullhorn pallet secure.
Received. Bring it in.
Months of work are now on the road. The luxury handbags begin their journey toward customers across the globe.
From factory floor to international shipping lanes, the journey continues. The world is waiting for the finished product.
Buddy, the manufacturing process is complete. In the final chapter, we discover where these bullhorn luxury handbags are sold